Kakadu is Australia's largest national park and also its largest wetland. It's located in the northeast of the Northern Territory. The park consists of numerous swamps, interlinking streams, billabongs and two major rivers. Much of the water body material that is shown in this video is actually filmed around yellow waters in the south central area. There is a great variety of water birds, including the jabiru, otherwise known as the black-necked stork, white-breasted sea eagle, pheasant cuckoo, plumed whistling ducks, the black and white Rajah shell ducks, comb-crested jacanas, the riverine and swamp vegetation is dominated by pandanus, otherwise known as screw pines, and then the giant lilies, which are actually lotus and occur right throughout Eastern Asia. They have large showy flowers that only last for a short time, and then the large seed pods that resemble those of poppies. Also, there are extensive areas of paperbark swamps that have their roots permanently in the water. In fact, the whole of the central part of the park, central and northern part of the park, acts as a huge sponge. The largest predator in the park is the saltwater crocodile, which has a justifiable reputation as a man-eater. So anyone that is stupid enough to go swimming in these waters deserves everything they get. There is also a great impact with such animals as feral pigs, feral cats, and also fires are far too frequent in this system, partly a result of Aboriginal populations living in the periphery and in the centre of the park. Tourism is also having a major negative impact on the park. The two major rivers draining this basin to the north into the Gulf of Carpentaria are the East Alligator and the South Alligator. And even though the sea is approximately 30 kilometers from where this footage was taken, there is still an extremely strong tidal bore. The top-eyed mullet is a typical fish of these waters, foraging on the surface with its eyes always above when hunting. A Mertens water monitor digs into the riverbank. We're not sure what it was looking for, but possibly in search of turtle eggs, but is always alert for danger. Apart from the central swamps and the major river systems, one also finds in Kakadu numerous billabongs. These are seasonal water bodies known in other areas as oxbow lakes. They attract large numbers of birds, especially during the dry season. These include a variety of herons, pygmy geese, and the occasional snake. To this and other billabongs come numerous Australian pelicans to fish. Magpie geese, here feeding with a pair of jabberoos. This group of royal spoonbills frenetically course backwards and forwards in the pools, trying to hunt out small invertebrates. Some of these billabongs are situated in the southern sector of the park, where scattered rocky outcrops give a view towards the escarpment. Uniform forests, primarily made up of eucalypts and mixed bushland, is broken by dramatic steep rock slopes and cliffs. Clear pools and mountain streams are to be found, with black bream and archerfish. And unfortunately noisy tourists seem to be everywhere. Along the Barramundi Creek there are numerous paperbark trees and again pandanus. Away from the water bodies, the land is drier. Large termite mounds dominate the landscape. Green tree ants, known in Africa as tailor ants, make repairs to their nest. they can deliver a very, very nasty bite. Black flying foxes squabble or try to catch a breeze on a particularly hot day. The agile wallaby is common throughout the park, as it is in fact throughout northern Australia. They are used to visitors and frequent the camping areas which has the best grazing. Numerous species of parrot dominate the dry forests. The big red-tailed black cockatoo, here a female, and the adroit climbing of the sulphur-crested cockatoo as it feeds on grevillea flowers.